This is a VeChain price prediction and VeChain technical analysis on our 4-hourly and daily timeframes, as well as VeChain live news. Now we present current our trading system signals. Disclaimer: we do not provide investment advice. Technical analysis and trading signals on the daily timeframe. Pivot point supertrend system gave the sell signal. Candlestick patterns are mixed. ABC trading patterns are indicating consolidation. Support and resistance level analysis show consolidation. Overall, on the daily chart, we decided to stay out of the market given the choppy conditions and consolidation before big move. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 4-hourly time frame. Candlestick patterns are mixed. Pivot point supertrend system gave the sell signal. Candlestick patterns are mixed. ABC trading patterns are indicating consolidation. Support and resistance level analysis show limited movements between the two. Overall, on the 4-hourly chart, we decided to be out of the market. Technical analysis and trading signals on 1-hour time frame. On the hourly chart, we have overall the buy signal. Pivot point supertrend system gives buy signal. Candlestick patterns are bearish. ABC trading patterns are indicating consolidation. Support and resistance level analysis show return under resistance level. Overall, on the hourly chart, we decided to stay out of the market. Watch until the end of video as we will present you results of our another trading strategy. Subscribe to get more technical analysis videos. Before we present our second VeChain technical analysis, we will tell you about other price prediction VeChain live news. VeChain price prediction. Bearish clouds thicken ahead of a 10.64% drop in VET price. VeChain price eyes one more crash to 1 cent. VET's 12-hour chart showed a bearish rectangle pattern, respecting the 2 cents and 2 cents range limit. This pattern shows bulls and bears hesitation. VeChain pricing will keep testing horizontal support and resistance before breaking out. Bearish rectangles form when sellers pause in a downturn to consolidate. Before consolidation, an upward breakthrough is likely. In the case of VET, the trend was bearish, and a 10.64% drop to 1 cent is projected. Before placing sell orders, traders should wait for the price to break below 2 cents. VeChain pricing is also declining, notably in transaction volume. Compared to a 6-month high of $631.55 million on May 12, just 35.34 million VET tokens had moved addresses. Therefore, VeChain's price recovery possibilities are dwindling, so supporting the projected negative swing. Positive social media comments about VET also fell, as seen in the figure above. This decrease implies investors are adopting a hands-off attitude to VeChain pricing and won't boost purchasing unless the token maintains a northward price motion. The expected change to 1 cent will happen soon. VeChain price prediction. Probably 35% hike may see in VET crypto after upside breakout. VET is trading at 2 cents. VET price is below the daily Bollinger Band's middle band. Bears are bringing VET prices back to a negative trend line. VeChain pricing faces resistance from 2 cents to 3 cents. This month's pricing range represents a significant consolidation period. Bears are selling at 60-day highs while maintaining a broad horizontal range. The coin's daily price scale continues below the negative trend line. As the trading range narrows, traders should expect a breakout. VeChain is trading at 2 cents vs. USDT, down 1.5% intraday. Hourly price chart indicates price recovery and higher low formation. At 0.00001186 Satoshi, VET and Bitcoin are neutral. Trading volume suggests price accumulation below the resistance trend line and above the buyer's hedge zone. Overnight volume was $61.30 M. VET value is barely below the daily midband of Bollinger Bands. The stock RSI indicator on the daily price chart is overbought, indicating a price rise. MACD is negative. No significant positive indication helps bulls conquer bullish barriers. Conclusion: VeChain might yield good gains if bulls break the bullish trend with significant trading volume. Buyers forecast a 35% rise if bulls stop selling. VeChain fails to overcome its negative momentum of the past year. VeChain answered the new age requirement for enterprise-grade smart contracts. VeChain integrates dispersed networks and IoT to tackle global industry problems. VeChain's capabilities allow it to handle the greater volumes and complicated smart contract needs of the 4IR. The supply chain is the 21st century's largest growth obstacle, and smart contracts and current technology are needed to enhance it. Its growth has attracted high-profile businesses and government agencies. Bitcoin has a $1.65 billion market worth. and 84% of its supply is already in circulation, establishing decentralization on its network. Cross-chain NFT platforms and strategic alliances will boost VET's development. VETcoin has a $1.65 billion market, and 84% of its supply is already in circulation, establishing decentralization on its network. Cross-chain NFT platforms and strategic alliances will boost VET's development. Price analysis: VeChain. VeChain's price has fallen, especially in 2022. The price has dropped 72% in 9 months of 2022 and shows no indications of stopping. VeChain finds support around 2 cents, but purchasing rallies hit resistance at 3 cents. While the MACD indicator has dipped to reflect suppressed buying, the RSI candle shows weakness on short-term resistance from its 50 EMA curve. Failing to cross a small barrier would squeeze buyers. 3 cents resistance caused profit booking not seen since May 2022. Short-term VeChain price projection shows consolidation rejection.
Despite this difference, VET and VTHO have similar price actions.
VeChain's price movement is witnessing a big transition as the token approaches $0. Such a drop would drop VET by 60%. Technical charts, trend lines, and indices forecast weekly consolidation. To turn things around, the token must consolidate and break out above 3 cents from its last traded value of 2 cents. Weekly candles haven't brought the transition enthusiasm witnessed in 2021's first half. VeChain transactions are a fraction of their highs. The VET token's long-term barrier is 300% above the LTP, producing significant selling pressure as buyers lose patience. VeChain price prediction 2022 and 2023. Should you invest? VeChain is not a cryptocurrency, but a smart contract platform. Businesses may exchange data or preserve records on the site. VeChain token and Vether are used for transactions. 2 blockchain parties may hold value, purchase, sell, and trade using VET and pay gas costs with VTHO. These tokens exchange rate with fiat money floats. VeChain users include PricewaterhouseCoopers, Renault, and Walmart China utilize VeChain. VeChain improves these firms' operations. Since its conception, the platform's main role has been supply chain management, which tracks organizations' resources and goods. Attached are RFID tags or sensors perform this. RFID tags may broadcast location, temperature, and chain of custody data to a VeChain blockchain database. The objective is to improve global commodities management and control. Chinese wineries embraced VeChain. Using RFID tags, wholesalers and manufacturers utilize VeChain to monitor and validate cases and bottles. Any transportation and logistics system creates a lot of fragmented, partial, and untrustworthy data. Late, damaged, stolen, or missing items ensue. Costs and delivery times rise. VeChain streamlines and improves communication data in a blockchain system. Predicting VeChain's price. The VETcoin has a good future in crypto, given its usefulness and rising usage. The token's value is volatile. VET was trading at 2 cents on August 17, 2022, down 90% from its all-time high of 27 cents on April 17, 2021. 72.51 billion tokens are circulating out of 85.99 billion total, and 86.71 billion maximum. 2025 VeChain value. Digital coin price forecasts VET reaching 6 cents by December 2025 after a steady ascent starting in October. Trading Beasts forecasts a maximum price of 65 cents in 2025, up 137% from its all-time high and 1,761% from its present price. Gov Capital's prediction is 43 cents. VeChain, $10. VET may not hit $10 soon. Positive projections put the token's value below $1 for at least 5 years. Gov Capital predicts 80 cents by October 2027. This is a 3,385% rise from October 2022. VTHO forecast. Mid-October pricing for the 45.6 billion token VTHO was $0. VTHO's value declined between 2021 and 2022, like many other digital currencies. VTHO's market began to sag mid-year. Mid-July purchasers boosted the token by 14% in 7 days. It's since dropped and leveled off. Future optimism. VeChain tokens and other digital currencies, like equities or bonds, are subject to investor sentiment fluctuations. By 2022, crypto and conventional markets were intertwined. Moments of investor optimism raised stocks in crypto, while gloomy times lowered values. Digital money's future depends on its utility. Real-world tokens and coins are more valuable. Those with no utility other than conjecture will likely continue to dwindle. Given this tendency, investors and the cryptocurrency market should promote VeChain tokens for business and logistics. Cryptocurrency markets are turbulent. Never lose more than you can afford. Thank you very much for watching until now. Here are the results of our another trading strategy. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the daily time frame. Trading system generated by signal and long entry. Multi-time frame stochastic indicator is overbought. Price is above multi-time frame moving averages. MACD indicators generated by signal. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 4-hourly time frame. The 4-hourly chart gives us a sell signal. Trading system generated sell signal and short entry. Multi-time frame stochastic indicator is oversold. Price is below both multi-time frame moving averages. MACD indicator shows downtrend and sell signal. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 1-hour time frame. The hourly chart gives us a sell signal. Trading system generated sell signal and short entry. Multi-time frame stochastic indicator is neutral. Price is between both multi-time frame moving averages. MACD indicator generated by signal. Overall, this may be an opportunity to prepare for long entry on 1-hour time frame. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the either left or right to get to more VeChain price prediction analysis and VeChain technical analysis. Also, we present analysis on Terra Luna LUNC, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin news today. We cover tickers, XRP, BTC, Cardano, ETH technical analysis, and Shiba Inu coin. Check our playlists for the free technical analysis trading course.